Hi there! In today's video, I'll tell you and show you what to do so you can prevent overheating of your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get started. First step is do not take your phone on a stand. Even if you wanna play or read something outside, it will be better if you find some place with a shadow on it. Second step is use thin phone covers, because if the phone cover case is too thick, it will keep the warmth from your phone inside them and never let them out. Because of that, your phone will overheat even more than usual. Number 3 is, yes, you would need to update your software every time where it is a new update, because it not only updates any applications or something in the phone, but it also prevents bugs which can overheat your phone easily. The next thing that you can do to prevent overheating is close tabs with the applications that you don't use, because they continue work in the background, but you don't use them. Why do you need them? And they keep overheating your phone. For that, you would just need to click on these 3 lines that you can see on the left edge and close only one application that you don't need, or close all of them by clicking on this button. The step number 5 is make the screen brightness a little bit lower. It won't hurt you, but it will be better from your phone and it will prevent overheating a bit. For that, swipe down to open the control panel and move your finger around the slider to make the brightness of your phone a little bit lower. The next thing that you can do to prevent overheating, that's enable power saving mode. It will disable all of the process that you don't even need and gives your phone a little break. Also, with this mode, your battery will live a little bit longer. To enable this mode, simply swipe down 2 times to open the control panel and click on this power saving icon right here. And the last thing that we can do to prevent the overheating is switch the performance profile from standard to light. For that, we would need to open settings on our phone and then scroll down until you will see tab named device care. Click on it and here you can see this performance profile, which is standard. Switch it to light and that's it. After all of these tips, your phone should be overheating less than before. And that was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.